Many people shy away from the stock market. They think it's too risky or complicated. They worry about losing their hard-earned money and feel overwhelmed by the jargon and numbers. But here's the truth. Investing in the stock market is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. It's not just for the wealthy or the financial experts. It's like a secret weapon for achieving your financial dreams. Imagine being able to grow your savings exponentially over time. Think about it. You work hard for your money. Every day you put in the hours, the effort, and the dedication. Why not put your money to work for you? Instead of letting it sit idle in a low-interest savings account, let it grow and multiply. The stock market offers incredible potential for growth that traditional savings accounts can't match. Over the long term, the stock market has consistently outperformed other forms of investment. Don't let fear or confusion hold you back. It's natural to feel apprehensive, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can navigate the market with confidence. With a little guidance, anyone can learn the basics of investing and start building a brighter financial future. There are countless resources available, from online courses to financial advisors to help you get started. Let's break down the barriers and unlock the power of the stock market together. It's time to take control of your financial destiny and make your money work as hard as you do. Join the millions of people who have discovered the untapped power of the stock market and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Fear is a natural human emotion. It's understandable to feel some apprehension when it comes to investing your hard-earned money, but let's address some common fears head-on. Many people worry about losing it all. Remember, investing always involves some degree of risk. But diversification, spreading your investments across different assets, can help mitigate that risk. Others feel overwhelmed by the perceived complexity of the market. But you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn the ropes. Start small, invest consistently, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Let's simplify some basic stock market terminology. Think of stocks as pieces of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small stake in that business. Dividends are your share of the company's profits. Think of them as a bonus for being a shareholder. Not all companies pay dividends, but those that do distribute a portion of their earnings to investors. Market capitalization refers to the total value of a company's outstanding shares. It's calculated by multiplying the share price by the total number of shares. Think of it as a measure of the company's overall size and worth. Larger market cap often indicates stability, while smaller market cap can mean higher growth potential, but more risk. Understanding these terms helps you navigate the stock market better. Your path to informed investing. Before you invest in any stock, it's crucial to do your homework. Research the company's financials, understand its business model, and analyze its growth potential. Look at their revenue, earnings, and debt levels. Consider industry trends and competitive landscapes. The more you know about a company, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Remember, investing isn't about gambling. It's about making calculated decisions based on sound research and analysis. The magic of compounding your money working for you. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in the stock market is the power of compounding. Compounding is like earning interest on your interest. Over time, even small amounts of money invested consistently can grow exponentially. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Think of it as a snowball effect. As your investments generate returns, those returns are reinvested, generating even more returns, and so on. It's a virtuous cycle that can lead to significant wealth accumulation over the long term. Hey there! If you're finding value in this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell below. This way, you'll never miss out on our latest updates and helpful tips. Countless ordinary people have achieved financial freedom through the stock market. These stories are not just about numbers and charts, they are about real people, with real dreams and aspirations, who took control of their financial destinies. They show that with the right mindset, anyone can turn their financial dreams into reality.
Take, for instance, my story. I'm Grace, a single mother who started investing small amounts every month. Initially, it was daunting, and I had my doubts. But I educated myself, read books, attended seminars, and sought advice from financial experts. Over time, my disciplined approach and long-term perspective paid off. I was able to retire comfortably and secure a bright future for my children. My investments grew steadily, and I learned the importance of patience and consistency. It wasn't just about the money, it was about the peace of mind and the ability to provide for my family without constant financial stress.
Or consider my journey. I'm David, a young professional who diligently saved and invested a portion of my income. I started small, just like Grace, but I was committed to learning and growing. I spent countless hours researching stocks, understanding market trends, and diversifying my portfolio. Through careful research and a commitment to growth, I built a diversified portfolio that provided financial security and peace of mind. It wasn't always easy. There were ups and downs, but I stayed the course. Today, I have the financial freedom to pursue my passions and live life on my terms. These stories highlight that financial success in the stock market is attainable for anyone willing to learn, invest consistently, and stay the course. It's not about having a lot of money to start with. It's about making smart choices, being patient, and staying committed to your goals. Whether you're a single parent, a young professional, or someone looking to secure their future, the stock market offers opportunities for growth and financial independence. The key is to start, stay informed, and never give up. With determination and the right strategies, anyone can achieve extraordinary financial success. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. Don't let fear, misconceptions, or procrastination hold you back any longer. The path to financial freedom is paved with knowledge, discipline, and action. The stock market offers an incredible opportunity to take control of your financial future. Start by educating yourself. Dive into the basics of investing, understand the different types of assets, and learn how the market operates. There are countless resources available online, in libraries, and through financial institutions. From books and articles to online courses and webinars, the information you need is at your fingertips. Seek guidance from trusted financial advisors if needed. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your financial situation and goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent, informed decisions over time. Patience and persistence are key. Start small, invest consistently, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Even modest investments can grow significantly over time with the power of compound interest. The power to build wealth and achieve your dreams is within your grasp. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building a solid financial foundation. Take that first step today and unlock your full financial potential. Begin your journey with confidence, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. The future is yours to shape. As we wrap up, let's recap what we've covered today. We've discussed the importance of investing in stocks, debunked common myths and fears, explored the basics of stock market investing, and shared real-life success stories. Remember, the potential rewards of investing in stocks are vast, from growing your wealth to securing your financial future. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below sharing your investment goals or any questions you have. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching and happy investing.